Hi, I'm Kep Kepner CPA here in Dallas. Have you had a performance review of your company? What I'm showing you here is an example of one we do for our clients. It has all kinds of ratios and calculations that allows you to see how you're performing as a business. So every business should be able to grade themselves on how well they're performing. And it's not just about sales, although that's really important. It's also about liquidity. How can you withstand the need for capital if you're too debted up? Well, the fact of the matter is you can't. So liquidity is a big part of the analysis for any small business. Another are your profit margins. Many people look at the bottom line. All the talk is about the bottom line. Well, the bottom line of my company is that there's something else that's more important. That's the gross profit line. So when you're analyzing the performance of a business, you want to look at and measure the gross profit as well as the bottom line. You want to look at your borrowing, whether the cost of borrowing is too great or not. Now, in today's world, they talk about the interest rate being really low. So if you had cash to put in a savings account, you might only earn 1%. So should you put cash in a savings account, earn 1%, and yet pay the bank 8% for borrowing? Well, maybe so, maybe no. The fact is you need to analyze your borrowing to see if it makes sense. You need to look at your assets. Do you have the right assets to produce what you need to produce? There's always a balance for any small business. I've got $50,000 extra cash. Should I take it and use it for my family? Or should I buy some kind of equipment that would allow me to double my sales? Well, the answer for one person might be different than for another. And what about your employees? Do you have some tools to measure the number of employees and their productivity? When you have an analysis done on your business, these are kinds of things that you can examine and determine if you're running your business well. So if you need help to take a fresh look at your business, to give you the truth about how well you're operating that business and how you're performing as a business owner, let us know. It could be some of the best dollars you've ever spent. Because I have faith in you, the business owner, that if you're committed to your business and you know what you need to do to be better, then I believe you can do it. So I don't want to give you a big pep talk, but if you're solving the wrong problem because you haven't really measured your performance, then you can be working really hard for meager results. On the other hand, if you're measuring your business, you're comparing it to similar businesses in the same industry in the same part of the country, then you will have some insight into how well you're performing. And you'll have some strategies that you can implement to do a better job. So if you need help in this area, give us a call. Thanks.